Sa araw po na ito, purihin ng Panginoon. Sagutin po natin yung katanungang, is it wrong to celebrate birthdays? Yung tinuturo po ng ibang mga kultong reliyon, particular po yung Jehovah's Witnesses, maging yung dating daan po. Naalala ko po, way back 1995, tumawag sa akin yung isang crew member sa kabina ko. Sapagkat alam niyo po, yung barko namin, passenger ship po, maraming crew member. Sabi niya, Brother Lex, kasi may narinig akong katuruan, may mga nagtuturo rin po mga ibang grupong reliyon. At maging itong lately po, sabi, tinuturo nga raw po na hindi raw po dapat i-celebrate yung birthday. No? So, ang sagot po ron ay no, hindi po. No? Sabi po nila, they argue that there are only two references, no? Or in the Bible, to birthday celebrations. Doon po sa Genesis chapter 40, verse 20 to 22. And Matthew chapter 14, verse 6 to 10. Basahin po natin yung Genesis chapter 40 ng mabilis. Pusahan po natin sa verse 20. Now the third day was Pharaoh's birthday, and he gave a feast for all his officials. He lifted up the heads of the chief cupbearer and the chief baker in the presence of his officials. He restored the chief cupbearer to his position so that he once again put the cup into Pharaoh's hand. Sa verse 22 po, but he hanged the chief baker, just as Joseph had said to them in his interpretation. Doon naman po, basahin naman natin yung Matthew chapter 14, verse 6 to 10. Umpisahan po natin dito sa verse 6. On Herod's birthday, the daughter of Herodias danced for them and pleased Herod so much that he promised with an oath to give her whatever she asked. Prompted by her mother, she said, give me here on a platter the head of John the Baptist. Verse 9, the king was distressed, but because of his oaths and his dinner guests, he ordered that her request be granted and had John beheaded in the prison. So makikita po natin dito, according to them, sabi po ng mga kultong reliyon, no, both individuals, si Pharaoh po in the Old Testament and si Herod po sa New Testament were pagans, and both had someone put to death on their birthdays. So, ibig po sabihin, nung pong mga birthday nila ni Pharaoh at ni Herod, meron po silang mga pinapatay. Si Pharaoh po yung kanyang chief baker at si Herod naman po si John the Baptist. In view of this, sabi po ng mga kultong reliyon, it is clear that no follower of God should ever celebrate a birthday. At sinabi po ng mga kultong reliyon, they are using what is known as guilt by association, concluding po that a particular birthday is bad and evil, simply because something bad or evil happened on that day is truly wrong. Tandaan po natin, wala pong kinalaman yung pong mga pangyayari na yun na masama kung tayo po ay magse-celebrate ng birthday. Linawin po natin, doon po una po sa Genesis chapter 40 verse 20 to 22, proves only that Pharaoh was evil. Hindi po yung birthday. And likewise, doon po sa Matthew chapter 14 verse 6 to 10, proves only that Herod was evil, not the birthday celebration. And there is no reason, mga kapatid, a birthday cannot be celebrated to the glory of God who created us. Basahin po natin yung 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 31. Sabi po rito, so whatever you eat or drink or whatever you do it for the glory of God. So there's nothing wrong po to give proper honor to another human being. At sabi rin po ng Romans chapter 13, verse 7, we should give respect to him who is due respect and honor to him who is due honor. Since a typical birthday does not worship another human being, there is no reason we cannot honor him or her on said occasion. And there's nothing wrong po with celebrating our birthdays as long as it glorifies God. Purihin po ang Panginoon, kaya doon po sa mga magbe-birthday, happy birthday po, i-celebrate nyo po, wala pong masama dyan. Hindi po totoo yung katuruan ng mga kultong reliyon na in-associate po nila yung pong masamang pangyayari sa Bible. Sa Genesis, yung pong si Pharaoh, pinahang po yung kanyang chief baker. Doon naman po sa Matthew, pinapatay po ni Herod si John the Baptist. Wala pong kinalaman yung pong masamang pangyayari na yun sa pagse-celebrate po ng ating mga birthday. At purihin po ang Panginoon, sapagkat alam ko po sa pagse-celebrate natin ng birthday, dapat po tayo magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa loob ng isang taong singkad. Tayo po ay biniyayaan niya ng kanyang pag-iingat at masagan at mahabang buhay. Hallelujah! Salamat po at nawa po may natutunan kayo sa araw na to sa ating pinag-aralan. Lagi po nating tandaan, lagi po tayong maging handa sa pagdepensa sa ating pananampalataya upang tayo po ay hindi mabiktima ng mga false doctrines and false teachers na naglipa na po sa ating panahon. Ngunit depensa po natin ito ng merong pagpapakumbaba at respeto. Salamat po.